Good morning, students. Now we are doing lesson 8, that is verbs active and passive, and we have reached up to uh, point number Q on page number 73. We had last done models and imperatives, how we use models and imperatives for changing active into passive, right? That we studied last time. Now let us study this. Exercise 22 we did last. I had given you in homework. Now let us start. It is said, he is said to, right? People say that he is a 105 years old. Active. This sentence can be expressed in the passive as it is said that he is 105 years old. Passive. He is said to be 105 years old, right? 105 years old. He is said to be, right? There are both the ways you can make it passive. It is said that he is 5 years old. That is also passive. Further, it is said that he thrashed a policeman. He is said to have thrashed a policeman. This is in passive, right? The first one is in active. Then we can use these structures with the following verbs: believe, consider, expect, know, report, think, right? All these words are being used in the same way. So here passive is possible in two ways. Now next is exercise 23. Rewrite the following sentences as shown in the example using the verbs given in the brackets. आपको brackets में verbs दिए हैं, उसको लेकर के आपको sentences rewrite करने हैं in passive form, right? First example is given: the burglars entered the house through a broken window, right? This is a report. It is reported that the burglars entered the house through a broken window, right? So it is reported that the burglars entered the house through a broken window. Okay, now let us move on to the further examples. The burglars are reported to have entered the house through a broken window. This is also possible. Both the options are possible, that you understand. It is reported that the burglars entered the house through a broken window. The burglars are reported to have entered the house through a broken window. These two are possible, right? So now let us move on to the exercise. The strike will end soon. The strike will end soon. Expect इसमें add करना है. तो आप कैसे करोगे? The strike is expected to end soon, right? This is a correct option. Another option is also possible. It is expected that the strike will end soon. The strike is expected to end soon is one way, and another way is it is expected that the strike will end soon. I am narrating the sentences. Please listen to them carefully. दोनों options आपको लिखना है, right? क्योंकि आपको दो ऑप्शंस ऊपर भी दिए हैं, सो दोनों बोथ इज करेक्ट इन पैसिव फॉर्म. बोथ यू हैव टू मेक. सो यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू शिफ्ट द वर्ड्स in another way to make the passive. The manager himself spread the rumor. Believe use करना है. It is believed that the manager himself spread the rumor, right? It is believed that the manager himself spread the rumor. दूसरा वे क्या है? The manager is believed to have spread the rumor himself, right? A short circuit started the fire. Now report use करना है. It is reported that a short circuit started the fire. A short circuit is reported to have started the fire. It is reported that a short circuit started the fire. A short circuit is reported to have started the fire. Then fourth one, the weather will be fine tomorrow. Expect. The weather is expected to be fine tomorrow. Yeah, it is expected that the weather will be fine tomorrow. Right? Got it? Both the one. First one is the weather is expected to be fine tomorrow. It is expected that the weather will be fine tomorrow. Then sixth one, he is a great photographer. Think. Think को use करना है. तो थिंक का क्या फॉर्म यूज़ करोगे? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म्स हम जनरली यूज़ करते हैं. सो अंडरस्टैंड इज एक्सपेक्ट का एक्सपेक्टेड हो गया, रिपोर्ट का रिपोर्टेड हो गया, बिलीव का बिलीव्ड हो गया, एक्सपेक्ट का एक्सपेक्टेड हो गया. सो ये वर्ब चेंज होता है. सो प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ही इज़ अ ग्रेट फोटोग्राफर. थिंक का हो जाएगा थॉट. ही इज़ थॉट टू बी अ ग्रेट फोटोग्राफर, या इट इज़ थॉट दैट ही इज़ अ ग्रेट फोटोग्राफर, राइट? He is thought to be a great photographer, or it is thought that he is a great photographer. Then number 6, 5 persons were killed in the accident. Report becomes reported. 5 persons were reported to be killed in the accident. It is reported that 5 persons were killed in the accident. Right, now let us move on to next exercise, that is exercise 24. Mr. Bose has bought a flat, but he wanted to be renovated before his family, right? Could shift there. Subir is doing the work of them. Complete these sentences using the passive voice. Oral practice. This is for oral practice, but we are going to do it because this will give you more practice of writing passive voice and learning what is active voice, right? So this is very useful in transformation of sentences, active, passive, direct, indirect speech. This is very important. That is why I have taken each and every exercise of this lesson. So please understand all these exercises properly. Try to convert active to passive, passive to active, right? That is very important. So that will make your grammar or English very strong. It is a very important aspect of grammar in English. So let us study. Mr. Bose asked Subir to renovate the house. So how will you start? ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है. तो सुबीर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, उसको पहले लेते हैं. सुबीर वॉज आस्क्ड बाय मिस्टर बोस टू रिनोवेट द हाउस. दिस इज द पैसिव वॉइस, राइट? Again I repeat, Subir was asked by Mr. Bose to renovate the house. Subir started work last week. The work was started, work is the object, the work was started by Subir last week. The work was started last week भी आप बोल सकते हो, पर ऑब्जेक्ट लिखोगे तो चलेगा. That is, it is also not wrong. He finished the drawing room on Monday. The drawing room was finished by Subir, or the drawing room was finished by him on Monday. या drawing room was finished on Monday. अकेला भी लिखोगे तो चलेगा. The subject becomes implied, imperative हो जाता है, right? He was doing the kitchen on Wednesday. The kitchen was being done on Wednesday, right? The kitchen was being done on Wednesday. He is painting the bedroom now. The bedroom is being painted now, right? The walls, sorry, he has painted the walls light blue. The walls have been painted light blue by him. आप लगा सकते हो, right? Here the walls have been painted light blue by him. He is going to paint the ceiling white, right? Then what you will make? The ceiling is going to be painted white, right? The ceiling is going to be painted white. He will finish the work next week. The work will be finished next week, right? Okay, now next exercise. I have narrated all the sentences again here. Please write down the answers according to that. Now you can listen to the video, you can pause it, and you can write the answers on your own. The words are already given here. ज़्यादा कुछ spelling mistakes होने का possibility नहीं है. Please write it down as narrated in the video. Still up to the end of this lesson I will share the answer key, but अभी next lesson से सारी answer keys मैं share नहीं करूँगी. आप लोग को attentive रहना पड़ेगा, वीडियो attentively सुनना पड़ेगा, और उस हिसाब से आप answers लिखते जाना, right? I will not share the answer key of each and every exercise now on. So please be attentive while watching the videos. If you want, you can make notes in your notebook what I have taught in the videos and what I have said. You can pause the video in the middle and write it down. राइट, दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. आप यूट्यूब पे जब वीडियो देखते हो तो आप बीच में पॉज करके आप अपना नोट्स भी बना सकते हो. So that is also possible. That is why I am putting it on YouTube, so it becomes very clear and easy for you to operate also technically, right? And my voice is I hope very clear in the video. Okay, now further, exercise 25. Let us move on to it. Rewrite these sentences in passive form. Include the phrase by, only, where necessary for oral practice, but we are going to write it. Example: we do not sell ready-made garments at this shop. Ready-made garments are not sold at this shop, right? The principal has announced a revised program of unit tests. A revised program of unit test has been announced by the principal. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो, by the principal, right? C.K. Pandit will coach the India A team. The India A team will be coached by C.K. Pandit. Then next one, people thought him to be a brilliant scientist. He was thought to be a brilliant scientist. A little planning can save a lot of time. A lot of time can be saved by a little planning. Don't offer eatables to the animals. Eatables should not be offered to the animals. The latest issue of the week contains some excellent articles. Some excellent articles are contained in the latest issue of the week. Do you accept payment by credit card also? It is a question. So how will you start? Is the payment accepted by you by credit card also? Is payment accepted by you by credit card also? Right? Then, do you deal in sports goods also? Are sports goods also dealt in by you? The school expects the students to observe proper discipline. The students are expected to observe proper discipline. इसमें नहीं school नहीं लिखोगे तो चलेगा, because it is expected by school only. It is well understood here, right? So no need to write the object here. Who has packed my luggage? It's a question. By whom has my luggage been packed? Or who has my luggage? Who was my luggage packed by? Right? The first one is more clear. By whom has my luggage been packed? That is more clear. So that is the easier one. Write it down. Then exercise 26, rewrite these sentences in active voice. Active करना है, अभी उल्टा करना है, आपको passive दिया है उसका उल्टा करना है. This is also equally important. You need to learn कि passive में अगर दिया है कभी तो उसका active कैसे करने का, और अगर active में दिया है तो passive कैसे करने का. Supply the subject yourself wherever needed. कहीं कहीं आपको subject नहीं दिया होगा, सिर्फ object दिया होगा, तो आप अपने लॉजिकल सेंस से उसमें सब्जेक्ट डाल सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रोटन एग्स एंड टमेटोज आर थ्रोन एट द स्पीकर. द ऑडियंस थ्रू रोटन एग्स एंड टमेटोज एट द स्पीकर. ऑडियंस दे, ये कौन ये फेंकेगा स्टेज के ऊपर? ऑडियंस फेंकेगी, राइट? तो ऑडियंस को सब्जेक्ट हमने बना दिया. द ऑडियंस थ्रू रोटन एग्स एंड टमेटोज एट द स्पीकर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, her sweet voice will never be heard again in this hall, right? So what you will do, we will never hear her sweet voice again in this hall. कौन सुनेगा ये स्वीट वॉइस? हम, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट दे सकते हो आप यहाँ पर. we will never hear her sweet voice again in this hall, right? Now superstitions are still believed in. People still believe in superstitions. कौन बिलीव करता है? People बिलीव करता है superstition में, right? लोग बिलीव करते हैं. So हम लोग ने people ऐड कर दिया. People still believe in superstitions. These instructions can be easily understood, right? We can easily understand these instructions. Living conditions are being gradually improved. We are gradually improving the living conditions. The latecomers should not be permitted into the examination hall. They should not permit the latecomers into the examination hall. Was the patient requested to wait? Then was the patient requested to wait? It's a question. So what you will do, how will you start? Did the receptionist request? अभी यहाँ पे कौन है? पेशेंट को कोई भी आप रिसेप्शनिस्ट या डॉक्टर भी बोल सकते हो, आप सब्जेक्ट ऐड कर सकते हो. डिड द रिसेप्शनिस्ट रिक्वेस्ट द पेशेंट टू वेट, या वॉज द पेशेंट रिक्वेस्टेड टू वेट, ये तो पैसिव दिया हुआ ही है. आप ये भी डिड समवन आस्क द पेशेंट टू वेट, आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. रिसेप्शनिस्ट ये एक सब्जेक्ट है, बट यू कैन इवन से डिड समवन आस्क द पेशेंट टू वेट और रिक्वेस्ट द पेशेंट टू वेट, राइट. What are you being disturbed by? What are you being disturbed by? What is disturbing you? Straight question, right? What is disturbing you? How many candidates are called for the interview? How many candidates did you call for the interview? You को subject में डाल दिया. Did he call? Did she call? भी आप डाल सकते हो, right? Subject आप कोई भी डाल सकते हो when you are making passive to active, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट इम्प्लाइड होता है, तो आप सब्जेक्ट अपने हिसाब से डाल सकते हो, राइट. बराबर लेजिबल सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. कोई भी उठा के बाहर से अपना या नाम डाल दिया वो नहीं चलेगा, राइट. सो लेजिबल subjects you can add in sentences which are to be converted from passive to active. Okay, now this lesson is over here. Next is your review. रिव्यू में आपने अभी तक जो एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करे हैं वो ही सारे हैं, तो यू विल डू इट इन द होमवर्क. आई एम गिविंग इट टू यू इन होमवर्क. देखो पहला वाला है ए एन और द आर्टिकल्स आपने किए हैं, सो डू इट इन होमवर्क. देन इट इज़ टू वर्ब, ये सारे कंप्लीट द पैसेज बाय यूजिंग द सुटेबल फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स, राइट. तो ये भी वर्ब्स के फॉर्म्स आपने करे हैं, तो ये करो होमवर्क में. उसके बाद रीराइट द फॉलोइंग पैसेज बाय यूजिंग सुटेबल फॉर्म्स ऑफ टू एंड आईएनजी, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो ये भी करो. देन टू वर्ब आईएनजी फॉर्म सेम है, ये भी करो. वर्ब्स गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स, दिस यू कैन डू इट, सो प्लीज़ डू इट. इसमें ही करो, टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करो. ये वाले पैसेजेस आप इधर चेंज कर सकते हो और बीच में लिख सकते हो जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मली टेक्स्ट बुक में करते हैं. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो यहीं पे सॉल्व करो. देन पैसिव फॉर्म ये आपको करना है होमवर्क में. आई विल नॉट गिव एन आंसर की फॉर दिस नाउ. लर्न टू सॉल्व इट ऑन योर ओन, राइट. Then complete the passage given below with verbs in the passive form to learn how to prepare delicious glazed apples, right. तो वो इधर प्रोसेस दिया हुआ है, वो हमने एक सॉल्व किया है एक्टिव पैसिव में. वैसे आप इसका ये करो, पैसेज बनाओ. देन शुगर एंड वाटर एंड मिक्स एंड ऑल दैट, दिस इज ऑल्सो द प्रोसेस गिवन, सो यू जस्ट सॉल्व दिस. ये पूरा रिव्यू 1 आपको सॉल्व करना है होमवर्क में. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इधर ही करो, और जो कन्वर्जन है वर्ब्स का यहाँ पे चेंजेस करना है वो आप नोटबुक में करो. ये एक्टिव पैसिव भी नोटबुक में करो, so that you get a good practice. And next time we will start lesson 9, comparisons, right. I may forward a new video from YouTube so that you can learn comparison, and then we can solve the exercises, right. Okay, so now we stop here today. As this lesson is over, जो भी answers कीज मुझे share करना है वो इसके साथ मैं कर दूंगी, so that you can check your answers. या फिर इसके साथ या फिर नेक्स्ट इंग्लिश के वीडियो के साथ मैं शेयर कर दूंगी, राइट. नाउ वी स्टॉप हियर टुडे. राइट डाउन ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. इसमें तो कोई इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ज़्यादा थे ही नहीं, आज तो हमने ज़्यादातर एक्सरसाइजेज ही सॉल्व करी है. डोंट नो नीड टू राइट ऑल दिस इज़ नॉट नीडेड टू राइट, राइट. इट इज़ जस्ट जनरल एग्जाम्पल्स. तो आप जो एक्सरसाइजेज हमने करी है वो ही आपको लिखना है, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू राइट हियर. ओके, नाउ वी स्टॉप हियर टुडे.